Hello, I'm Zef, and on this sunny day we are going to explore an abandoned medieval castle. Don't forget to give this video a like. Let's get started. So here we have arrived at the castle. There are a lot of birds here, but there are some people as well. Let's quickly run to the side so we don't get noticed. This castle was fortified in the 13th century. In 1869 the castle was totally destroyed by a fire. Luckily the owners at the time rebuilt it and they kept the medieval style. In 2003 there was another fire and the castle was abandoned. Unfortunately, I didn't find a way to get inside. These walls are just too high. Here we are at the castle gate. While I was trying to get some drone footage of the castle, a dog started following me. He wanted to catch my drone just when I was about to land it, so I had to protect him and take the drone out of the air. One of the propellers hit my arm. There was some blood, but it didn't hurt that much. If we ever meet, I can still show you the scar it left behind. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As always, there will be a new video every 13th of the month. I'm Zef. I hope to see you next time. Stay in love with DECAY.